A mid-sized tree that really lights up the landscape in late May and early June in Oklahoma is the Panicled Golden Rain Tree. Now the word golden really describes this tree because of these large terminal panicles of bright golden yellow flowers. They completely cover the canopy of the tree. The Panicled Golden Rain Tree is native to Asia. It comes to us from China, Japan, and Korea. And the tree only gets to be about 25 to 30 feet tall with an equal spread, so it's not a large tree, so it will fit very well into some small landscapes. These beautiful flowers are followed a little bit later in the year by brown inflated pods that are also present out here on the terminal branches, and also gives us sort of a display in that way. The plants are not particular when it comes to soil type, although they don't like heavy, wet clay soils. Now, a similar tree to the Panicled Golden Rain Tree is the common golden rain tree, but you can tell the branches are a little bit different. This is the Panicled Golden Rain Tree right here. They're once compound. This is the common golden rain tree, twice compound leaves, a little bit bigger. Other differences in these trees are that the common golden rain tree will have pink fruit pods later on in the year. It's not quite as hardy as the Panicled Golden Rain Tree, and it also blooms a little bit later in the year. We'll take a look at one of these later on as well, but you might consider the Panicled Golden Rain Tree for your lawn.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.